Have you ever wondered how some YouTube channels seem to grow exponentially while others struggle to gain even a handful of subscribers? It's a common question, and today we're here to break it down for you. We'll take you through a comprehensive, step-by-step guide on how to grow a new YouTube channel. First off, it's crucial to understand that YouTube is a platform driven by content. So, the first step in your journey should be to define your content strategy. What type of content will you be creating? For whom? What's the value in it for them? Answering these questions will help you craft content that resonates with your target audience. The second step is to optimize your channel for discoverability. This involves using effective titles, descriptions, and tags for your videos. Remember, YouTube's algorithm takes into account these factors when recommending videos to users. So make sure you're using relevant keywords and phrases that your audience is likely to search for. The third step is to engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and create a community around your content. People are more likely to subscribe to a channel that values their input and makes them feel a part of something bigger. The fourth step is to promote your channel. Share your videos on social media, collaborate with other YouTubers, or even consider running paid ads. The more you put your content out there, the more likely it is to be seen. The fifth and final step is to be consistent. Uploading videos regularly not only keeps your existing subscribers engaged, but also signals to YouTube's algorithm that your channel is active, which can boost your visibility on the platform. So, to recap, the key to growing a new YouTube channel lies in defining a clear content strategy, optimizing your channel for discoverability, engaging with your audience, promoting your channel, and maintaining consistency. Remember, success on YouTube doesn't happen overnight. It requires patience, persistence, and a lot of hard work. But with a clear strategy and a commitment to your craft, you're well on your way to building a thriving YouTube channel. That's it for today's guide. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on how to take your YouTube channel to the next level. Until then, keep creating, keep engaging, and keep growing. Happy YouTubing!